Every disadvantage has an advantage, so take advantage of the fact that life sometimes hands out highlighters to caress the words that you need most. You are beautiful, and one day you'll be loved even at your worst. But sometimes I wonder if life hands out lemons, it's intentionally for the purpose of pressing the juices into our eyes, so we see life with sore eyes and become blind to beauty, blind to love, blind to open blinds and seeing sunshine, blind to the sight of our true selves, blind to the titles of our metaphorical diaries on our own personal bookshelves, blind to the words on the graffiti-written blank pages from our diary, unconsciously passed down from generation to generation, blind to the highlighted caress messages left from friends, guiding you to all the right pages. Page 1. I love you. Now go to page 23. Page 23. You are beautiful, and I wish you could see yourself in the same light I see you, and turn to page 45. Page 45. Life has blinded you, yet you have grown to be physically the smallest but emotionally the strongest person I know. Go flip to 56. Page 56. You look for love in all the wrong places. It is right in front of you. See page 67, page 67. You can find it in us, your friends and family, the ones you trust. You know the drill. 78, page 78. I know sometimes you think if you were in another body, you'd find love faster, but honestly, it probably won't even be true love at all. I got hungry, so I ate 9. You should too, page 89. I know you always want to make people smile, even if it means forcing yourself to be happy when you don't want to be. It's okay to cry sometimes. This is a big one. 910, page 910. If you actually get this far in, I'm here for you. Let me know how you feel within the pages in between. Write your life out. And when you finish, breathe, count down from 10, and go back to page 1.